Okay, how to make the echo effect without adding an actual echo effect to your clip. So we have a simple skate clip right here, and we're going to duplicate our clip. We're going to make it around 50% opacity. Now we see nothing's going on, but if we move the clip back one, we can see a slight trailing or a slight echo effect. So why don't we do that again? We duplicate it again, move it back another, and then make the opacity down to 25. So right now we have 100%, 50%, and 25 all starting one frame apart. So when we play it back, we have the echo effect. In this case, the more transparent image starts off, and then we have the middle image, and then we have the original image. So if we want it to trail, we simply trail it. So like that, and move it over one, so it's trailing, and we have two echoes trailing. And you can add even another one if you want. Bring that down to maybe 17. So now we have 3 echoes trailing. And then we compare the original to that, and you can see it's quite a bit different.